On tonight's episode, we are making some weird AI cocktail. We are making the Marauder's Gold, completely fabricated by AI for our potential enjoyment. We'll make the drink, we'll try the drink, and then we'll give you a score out of 5 and let you know, is this AI goodness or AI badness? Andy, hit the AI introduction. All right, folks, hey, it's Pete, and it's Tiki Tuesday. I put in a prompt and said, make me the best original tiki drink that you can, and AI said, you got it. And we'll see if it's good. We'll give a score between 1 and 5 stars. For this drink, you'll need 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, half an ounce of miso syrup. Miso syrup? How do you make miso syrup? Well, it's really simple. It's a 1-to-1 sugar to water, warm it up, add 1 teaspoon of white miso and half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. We have half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of banana liqueur, half an ounce of cold brew coffee, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, and finally you need 2 ounces of aged gold rum. For this drink we're using Appleton 12. All right, and there we have it. The Marauder's Gold. Not bad. It's interesting. It's different. It's definitely unlike any tiki drink I've ever had or really experienced. All right, so now we need Andy to come and give it a try and tell us what she thinks of the drink. I thought it was kind of refreshing. It's a nice drink. It's mellow. It's not very tart. It's not very sweet. It's pretty well balanced.
Like it.
The miso adds a little je ne sais quoi. I thought it was rather pleasant, actually. It's actually a pretty good drink.
It's a really good drink.
It's light. It's not bitter.
It does. It has some dimension to it. I like that the miso adds a little bit of a little saltiness, a little. I usually don't like banana forward drinks, but this is not a banana forward drink. Even with the banana liqueur, I think it balances well with the coffee.
I'm not even sure I taste the banana.
And it kind of takes a back seat. So yeah.
Oh yeah, the banana's in the background.
I don't know if it would be my
the coffee's in the it all just they're dancing lovely together. It's good. I would
thank you.
I would give us a solid 4 out of 5, believe it or not. 4 out of 5. I would say give it a shot. The miso syrup is actually pretty easy to make. It wasn't too challenging. As long as you can get some white miso.
Happy Tiki Tuesday.
We'll see you next time.